Sudeen, and welcome to Immunity 101. At the end of the day, vaccines or not, if your body isn't right, you're not going to be able to handle this or anything else in the future. So, lifestyle plays a role. The things that we eat, toxin exposure, all of these things play a role in how well our body will respond to essentially anything it comes in contact with. Process. Look at the number of ingredients that are in that particular product. Look at the types of oils that they're using.
Just catching up to knowledge that was known thousands of years ago.
That was known thousands of years
like
ago.
science. It's not a scientific breakthrough. This has been known for 5,000 years.
Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4.
One leaf is like dying, they help that plant, the leaf to grow back. Like that part, they eat that. Yeah.
Exactly, we should all be living in balance.
I did traditional Chinese medicine school.
Yeah.
I was looking at the jars and I was like, what's that? They were like insects. I'm like, excuse me? If that's a roach, that's a this, that's a, and I'm like, really? And here we are.
Important. When we go to sleep, our body goes through its cleansing process. So in going to these health summits, I was able to put together a little bit of information here, a little bit of information there. And with that, I decided to create a body that's more resilient. I'm a pharmacist. I've been a pharmacist for 11 years, but I was in a very stressful job. And what happened in that job is I started to have a lot of fatigue. I would come home in the afternoons from work, go to bed for a couple hours, wake up, do dinner, get my kids' homework done or help them with their homework, and then I would be going right back to sleep when I put them to sleep at 8 o'clock. I knew that was not normal. And so what I did was, like everybody else does, I turned to the internet and I tried to look for ways that I could increase my energy so that I could perform my day-to-day life. I could go to work, I could take care of the kids that I need, like the way that I need to. And so that led me to functional medicine and the whole system approach when it comes to the body. In that journey, I started going through a lot of health summits and I was finding out a lot of information that I didn't know because I wasn't taught about nutrition, as are a lot of medical doctors. We're not taught about nutrition. We're not really told how to truly live a healthy lifestyle. Yes, they'll say things like, okay, exercise, eat right, but what does that truly mean? So in going to these health summits, I was able to put together a little bit of information here, a little bit of information there. And with that, I decided to create a body that's more resilient. So I am on a journey to resilience, and I hope that you guys will join me as well. The way that our bodies are responding to our current conditions, it's not healthy. And so you're finding that there are a lot of individuals that are obese, that have diabetes, high blood pressure, these chronic diseases that, we're looking at it as, okay, well, we're getting older and our bodies are breaking down, but actually it's a lot of the things that we're doing in our day-to-day lives that's leading to all of these health conditions. And I want to be able to share that information with anyone who's willing to listen. So you can find me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Journey to Resilience. Look for me and follow me so that we can journey together and create resilient bodies. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. See you all soon.